Alright, good morning everybody. I know it's been a while. It's summer, got stuff to do, so I'm trying this one more time. I don't know how easy it is to see, but the thing I'm trying this time is a little bigger pulley on the generator end. That 2 GT belting, or GT2 belting. I'm wondering if because there's no flywheel on the generator end, if the uneven load just has too much leverage on the engine, since it's, smaller pulley there. So I went up from 16 tooth to 20 tooth, and we will see what happens. I may have very severely flooded this. There we go. Alright. I severely flooded it when I was filling it, so I'll get it to pop and then see. Alright, now we get to adjust the needle since I finally got the fuel burned out of it. Alright. Alright, maybe that's it, and we'll see if this better leverage on the engine lets me do some testing. So I'm going to move the camera and we'll see what happens.